We're so pleased to have with us Brian Batson, who is the president of Atlanta Gas Light. And we're here to talk about generators, Brian, because we are going into that period of the year where we have some crazy weather patterns sometimes in Atlanta with ice storms and that kind of thing. But you can actually cover everyone and sort of calm their fears in terms of power. So tell us about that.
The Southeast has a lot of storms and a lot of issues, but we say no power, no problem. The natural gas generator is available for homes, and it will run the electricity in the units, so your air conditioning, your heat, your hot water units. It'll run anything in your house if there were to be a failure due to some unforeseen weather circumstances. And the natural gas generator is a great way to get a good night's sleep, because you can go to sleep knowing that it's monitoring your power, and if there were to be a problem, it will take over and make sure everything in your home is working and working well.
That is great news to hear, because I think anytime we have some of these unpredictable weather patterns or storms, the biggest fear we all have is losing power. So that's a great, great precaution. Now, we happen to be in front of one of these incredible generators, so tell us how it works.
We are, Susie. It's pretty simple. It monitors the power that's coming into the home, and if any time it senses a delay or stoppage that's extended, it will come on, power up. It uses natural gas, just like what goes through your house and might heat your home or dry your clothes. It stays ready to run off of the natural gas, which is an underground service, so it's able to generate the electricity to control and run your home. It senses when that's needed, and it shuts down when it's not, so you don't have to worry about running to the store and buying gasoline or having diesel in a bucket somewhere. You have the simplicity of you're connected to the natural gas, and it's there when you need it, and it'll come on and take care of everything.
Brian, you make it sound so simple. I don't know why everyone doesn't have one of these. So if we're interested in having one as a homeowner, how accessible are they, and how would we go about getting it?
Very accessible, and they come in different sizes, because not everyone needs the same size. It depends what you want to have run if you're without power. But if you go onto the website, atlantagaslight.com, and then you would click on the tab for the residential information, and then under the various homeowner appliances, you'll see a natural gas generator. It'll ask you a few questions. It'll help you decide how big of a unit you need, and it also has a list of folks who could come out and give you a quote and or install that for you, so the next time we have a problem, you're covered and running on natural gas.
Brian, it seems to me that this is not just a winter precaution either. It's not just ice storms, because with the storms that we recently had with the hurricanes, etc., people were losing power. So this is a benefit to anyone, any time of year, right?
Right.
And you might want to also check with your homeowner's insurance. There could be a reduced premium if you have one of these generators. So thank you so much for being with us, Brian Batson, president of Atlanta Gas Light. For more information on natural gas and natural gas products, go to atlantagaslight.com, and remember, nothing says welcome home like the comfort of natural gas.